Okay, this is for DB07. And then I'm going to walk through the code here. So this here is the database connection string where it connects to SQL. And then here it comes with the prompt to enter a username, and then another prompt for the user to enter a password. And then in this try statement, this is where we're calling to make the connection physically to SQL. And then the SQL statement, this is for when we enter in the username and password, it selects the user ID, first name, last name, username, password encrypted, date of birth, gender, occupation ID, all from the user's table here in SQL. And then again, this shows the binding of the variables for the input username and input password for what the user physically inputs. And this here creates the strings for everything to be pulled in from SQL. Like, again, the username, first name, last name, username, password encrypted, the date of birth. And this is to convert the date time. So, for example, like when I go to debug, I do so like for the date of birth, it pulls the physical date and even the time. And then it breaks down the date, the date, month, and year. So that's there, and then the output naturally is here. And then let me go back. So like if I were to not enter in anything, it gives me login failed. And then I'll do this one again. Let me enter in a different. So now it pulls up all the information for Abel Rawling.